Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in the previous day, there is a fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty as it continued today also with the same downtrend. As and when it opened, it did not even cross the day high of the first candle. Then it continued by taking a resistance of the today's first candle of the 15 minutes. See, after that it made some consolidation over here and again it broke the support and again it fell. So this what indicates is like the market is completely in downtrend. As and when it crosses the any of the previous days high it breaks, then we can expect the market to either it can go up. Now we see in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also did the same thing as it continued the trend with the downside. So we can see the selling pressure at the top side of the yesterday. As and when it tries to cross the upside, we can see the selling at the top level. So this thing identifies how the market moves, means we can expect the market it's in completely downside. So when we come to the levels for the next day, as and when it crosses the low of the today's low, when it crosses we can expect some more fall. If the market opens flat either near here or if the market opens here, we can expect the trend to be down also. As and when if it is not crosses or it breaks the previous day high, till then we can expect the market till downside only. This is for Bank Nifty. And when we come to Nifty, as we can see the same way, till it breaks the high of the any of the resistance, we can expect the market to be in downtrend only. Suppose if markets opens around in this area and if it breaks the high of the today's high, it can continue upside. Or else if it opens flat and if it comes down and if it breaks the low of the candle, then we can expect the market to go down. So one more information today I will be adding with the post market analysis. So that is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is in breakout range. As we can see, this is the resistance. So it's near to the resistance level. As and when it breaks the high of this candle and if it moves tomorrow, we can expect one move upside. As it becomes already it's in we can see this one is as uptrend, and if it breaks the high of the this resistance, we can say that it can move further and or it can move like in a uptrend only. So this is all for today. Thank you.